right now. We're in Epic, and I bet Jamel $10 that he won't take a shot of these jalapenos right here. A shot of fresh hot jalapenos. Alright. See if it's yours for $10.
You get this water ready, man. You make it funny.
Fuck you. $10, man. All of them, man. Where you going, man?
Hot, bro.
Let me see, man.
Dang, I smell that.
That tongue, man.
Huh?
Lift your tongue up.
Look at your eyes.
Thug life.
Oh, you don't need
What's your Twitter name?
You don't need to order?
What's your Twitter name?
It's at Jamel, not Jamal. Follow me, bitches. Fuck this water. Fuck that water.
At Enrique Casanova with a K. I don't have a lot of followers, so please help me out.
Always look for followers, though.